Hi everyone, welcome back to Up Car, and today we are talking about one of the most exclusive and luxurious creations ever made on four wheels, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. This is not just a car, it is a rolling piece of art, designed for people who want something that literally no one else in the world can own in the same way. Rolls-Royce calls this coach building at its highest level, where every detail is handcrafted around the lifestyle of the owner. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is inspired by luxury yachts, and you can clearly see that influence in its long, flowing body design. The rear of the car is shaped like the deck of a classic boat, finished with beautifully polished wood panels that take months to perfect. From the side profile, the car looks incredibly elegant with its extended hood, smooth curves, and perfectly balanced proportions. This is a car that doesn't shout for attention, but quietly commands respect wherever it goes. Under the hood, the boat tail continues the Rolls-Royce tradition of effortless power. It is powered by a massive 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that delivers smooth and silent performance. Rolls-Royce never focuses on aggressive numbers, but the engine produces around 563 horsepower, which is more than enough to move this luxury masterpiece with absolute ease. Acceleration is silky smooth, and the ride quality feels like you are floating on air, thanks to the advanced suspension system that constantly adapts to the road. Step inside the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, and you enter a world of unmatched craftsmanship. The interior is fully bespoke, meaning no two boat tails are the same. Everything you see and touch is designed according to the owner's personal taste. From hand-stitched leather to custom veneers and metal finishes, the level of detail is simply unbelievable. The dashboard design is elegant and timeless, combining classic Rolls-Royce styling with modern technology that stays hidden until you need it. One of the most talked about features of the boat tail is the rear hosting suite. At the push of a button, the rear deck opens up like butterfly wings, revealing a luxury picnic setup. Inside, you'll find custom-made storage compartments, a champagne cooler, fine china, silver cutlery, and even matching stools. Rolls-Royce can include a personalized watch, special drinks, or anything the owner desires. This feature alone shows how the boat tail is more than a car, it's an experience. Technology in the boat tail is subtle and refined. Rolls-Royce believes luxury should feel calm, not complicated. The infotainment system is smooth and easy to use, navigation is crystal clear, and the sound system delivers a concert-like experience inside the cabin. Advanced safety features are also included, but they work quietly in the background, ensuring comfort and peace of mind without disturbing the driving experience. Now let's talk about the price, because this car lives in a completely different universe. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is priced at around $28 million, making it one of the most expensive new cars ever made. And even with that price, only a very limited number of units are produced, each one custom built for a specific client. You can't walk into a showroom and buy one. You have to be invited by Rolls-Royce. In conclusion, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is not about speed or competition. It's about exclusivity, craftsmanship, and personal expression. This car represents the absolute peak of automotive luxury, where money meets art and engineering meets emotion. If you enjoyed this deep look into the world's most luxurious car, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Up Car, and I'll see you in the next video.